Yeah, cool. Hey guys, I'm gonna be studying math today. Is that what you said? You said that's how you said I was gonna start my stream? Hey guys, I'm gonna be studying math.
Patrick, I'm cooking wings.
Oh, heck yeah. Okay. Thanks. I recently got a prescription of doxycycline, aka heart dog medicine. I mean heart dog. But yes, yeah, we are going to be studying calculus. What the? Man, I'm still kind of sad because my hair, it is gone. But that's okay. We're gonna be doing a little bit of calculus today because I am super tired and I just kind of wanna, yeah. So we've got some stuff here. Okay, so what are we going to look up? I want to do something like classical music, but I don't know. Jazzy music. So we had Tokyo Beat. You know what? Would this be okay to play? What? Jazz and bossa. I don't even know what bossa is. I've never heard of that genre. Excuse my coughing, guys. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let me just take a look at all the settings to make sure that everything is okay. Everything is okay. Sure. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, here's our practice. Ooh, 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 ooh. Anywho, anywho, take a look at this. We've got a practice test. Yeah. So if you're watching this, I'm just saying this is more like a relaxed sort of thing, because I'm kind of dead. I just got out of labs and stuff, and I'm also kind of I'm out of it. That's all I can say. I'm out of it. So we can go ahead and just try to explain some of these things. This one has the solutions on it. It's the practice test that my my man talked about. Decide whether each of the following. Give me a second. Let me take a look. Okay. Alright, that's good. Anyway, let's take a look. Okay, so this one's saying the integral. Okay, the main thing that really concerns me about things like this is that 2 negative 1 dx. The main thing that really concerns me about these sort of things is that I won't be able to understand what's going on, which sucks in any sort of situation where you don't, if you don't understand what's going on, then things are just not good. Don't like it. Let me take a look. Okay. Anywho, he said that this one's false. Okay, and that is because substituting x squared minus 1, so which is basically that what's it called, that power in respect to e exponent Euler's number, you know. So you're substituting the x squared minus 1, okay, with u. All right, and in that case, yeah, you do the do, and you end up with this. All right, let me just make sure that I have this correct. So if you say u is equal to x squared minus 1 dx, you're gonna have to take a look at what du is. So the differential, whatever the heck that is, in respect to u. The differential in respect to u. And in that case, you're gonna have to take whatever you have right there. And I guess we're doing the opposite if it's gonna be the differential. I'm not sure. So you take du. Alright, you can have give me a second. I don't know, because if you take, wait, you take du over dx is equal to x squared minus 1. Is that it? Let me see what he has there. Yeah, okay. So if you take that times dx, you have du, which would be equal to x squared minus 1. Mac, they have a new app, Danger Dolan. Oh, really? I've actually, what's it called? I really like Danger Dolan. And I'm doing okay. I'm doing alright. What about you? I'm just doing a little bit of math because I have calculus tomorrow. And I really want to get this done as fast as possible, because I want to have enough, you know. Wait a minute, give me a second. Give me a second. I just gotta respond to this person. Oh, currently watching on a phone. Technology has me. But what else is new? Oh, hates you. I'm gonna record a Let's Play on the phone. Hey! Alright. I hope you have fun with that. And thank you. Yes, I'm gonna try my best. Yep, not much gaming. That's cool, dude. Cool, dude. Sorry, I'm just texting some person right now. That's cool, dude. Okay, let me just tell him I have math. But yes, here we are once again. Once again. But yes, have fun with what you're gonna record, and definitely share the link in our Discord. And for all you watching, our Discord is Ghost to Be. If you would like to join, because you play something like Fortnite or Overwatch, or you just want to chill and hang out, then our Discord is for you. Ghost to Be. We have our music bot, aka the Doc. That's about it. In all honesty, we just have people to chat with. So if you want to chat with me or other people, then there you go. Just comment down below what your Discord ID may be, or say, oh, I would like to know about this. Inform me. Mac, Mac, Yep. So, false. He says it's false. And indeed you do, Wait a second. Okay, yeah. Du would equal x squared minus 1 dx. But no, we're trying to find what dx is equal to. So let's redo that. No, we don't have to redo anything. Ah, yes. So it would be 1 over x squared minus 1 du equals dx. You guys can see what I'm doing, but maybe you can with this. I'm not too sure. Nah. You probably cannot see that for the life of anything. But, yeah. We're just doing this. Okay. I'm not exactly sure how you would... No, that's probably wrong. I did this before, I just don't know what exactly I want to change. We have x equals Give me a second. I've gotta unwrap my calves. That sounds really weird. I've got to unwrap my calves. Be right back. No. What in the world? I wrapped this one pretty well. What the heck? I don't know where the heck the thing is right now. My God. Ah, that's probably it. Oh, it went up here. How in the world? Calc easy. I'd say, yeah, it's pretty easy. Pretty easy. If easy meant I want to die. Because holy shoot, this is... Oh man. Give me a second. there's like lactic acid buildup, so I had wrappings over my thing. Okay, so but yes, we are here substituting. Wait, okay, let me just think. I'm not even gonna comment it. They can see you. They can see you through there. Let me show you.
No.
What if I had moved it like exposed?
Go eat your dog medicine. Oh yeah, Cleopatra. I might go to a concert.
That's
But
good.
it's not like that, like big concert, like a BTS big concert. It's just like a stand.
2,
Stand
3.
and thing. Like this.
How'd they get the 15?
Like that, where you stand.
Oh, that's alright. That's still good. That's still good.
Man,
That's still
if I
good.
get
That's
into
still
the
good.
back,
That's still
then
good.
I have no way of seeing anything. So I'll just have to do this.
Wait, oh, okay, this makes sense. And then, wait, no, would you derive that though? I feel like you would have to derive it with the dx. I don't know. But yeah, I see what they're doing. They do that. And then you move it back. Okay, 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 okay. Right.
Wait, let me. That's gonna cut my hair.
Good luck. Have fun. But yeah, you'd be, what's it called? Substituting the x there too, wouldn't you? I don't know. What do I do? But we also need to adjust the limits of integration. See, that's the thing that really gets me. I don't understand why they need to adjust the limits. Adjusting limits of integration. Feeling like it's awesome to relax. I wish I could relax. Let's take a look at something like this. Something that might... Okay. Okay. Define the u for the change of variables. Okay. Differentiate u to find du and solve for dx. Yeah. Substitute in the integrand and simplify. Yeah. 4 for in... Oh, okay. So a definite integral right there. Okay. Example, if u... Oh, wait. use the substitution to change the limits of integration. I don't know how to do that. Be careful not to reverse the order. An example would be if u is equal to 3 minus x. Oh, I get it. So, okay, you just plug in the number. I understand. I understand now. Is that running? Better not be. So for this, we just okay. So since u equaled x squared minus 1, we took 2, we squared it, and then okay. Cool. Feeling like a fool. Okay. I understand. Every quadratic can be written in the form of a. I'm gonna have to search that up. A.
Oh my god, why'd you cut it so short? Go see the boys.
Was it minus? Minus. Wait, I did that really wrong. Okay. So that's the vertex form of quadratic equation, yeah. Alright, let me think about this. This can be achieved by completing the square. Okay. Let me just learn a little bit more about this vertex form. Tense from being on edge, it doesn't hurt. Okay, how high edge? Are we ready to Huh. Okay, let's think about this. H. Okay, if you were to think about this, X would equal. Okay, wait, what do you mean?
The guy with the nice hair. Yeah. The guy with the nice hair. I like that guy. Because he has nice hair.
My friend is tense, so he's asking me about things like yoga. Yoga. Things like yoga, things like stretching to help him not be as tense, you know what I mean? Anywho, vertex form. H meaning HK meaning the vertex of a parabola. See, this freaks me out, dude. Cause I never really got the true meaning of what the quadratic formula was. Meaning, give me what it means, you know what I mean, man. It's used in polynomials, yeah. Oh, jeez. This is getting me thinking stuff like, you know, I don't know. I need to think. Okay. Parabolas. That's basically what I got from this. Parabolas, but I don't know. What am I supposed to do about this? Okay. I'm sorry, I've been coughing way more with this new medicine. I think stuff has been happening. What? What happened? Oh, it looks nice.
Why is it longer? Then here, shorter.
He's trying something interesting.
No, I want it to be shorter here, like this. Not like that.
Wait, just stand. Just stand. No, it looks okay.
I want it to be this.
I think it looks nice.
And then here, and then here.
It looks fine, Isan. Oh my gosh, fabulous. Oh my gosh, fabulous. Ew.
Fuck my back. It's alright, thanks, Dad. Thanks for cutting it late at late night. I guess it's gonna be shorter.
All right. By completing the square. Okay. Every quadratic function can be written in the form. Okay. Being that this test is gonna be right down tomorrow, I'm going to just write this question down.
Wings.
Okay, I'll eat it.
Downstairs, it's been ready.
Thank you. I'll just eat it in a bit because I need to finish. Gone. Form ax minus h squared plus k. And it is true by completing the square. How exactly? By completing the square. Alright, but that's okay. That's okay. Okay, by completing the square. Okay. So, this next one's a little more full of, you know. Okay. Wait. I swear this is just gonna turn into a session of me on my phone. Oh, well, sir. In the year. Take a look at this. Okay, take a look. This, we have an indefinite integral cosine eighth dx equals. No. Wait. He stated it was false, and then he derived the integral. Yes? No, I'll get some.
It's down here.
Okay, thank you.
Should I put it out of the air dryer now? Air fryer?
Not yet, but thank you so much, Mom. I'm just studying for my calculus tomorrow, you know.
Why can't you eat while you're studying?
That's a good idea, actually. I'll bring it up here soon.
You wash your hands.
Yes, Mom. Data from the lab. Yes, that is what I needed. Dang. These are pictures from our lab today, as you can see. Yes. Pretty good. It was a chemiluminescence reaction. You've gotten immune to the pain. But that pain must still be there. New kick message. New message. Message. Kitchen. Hey, hot chick. Tell me what you're missing. Kissing at the man while you're cooking in the kitchen. Hey. Grimy calc and sounds dead. Good luck on that test. Yes, I'm very out of it right now. As I was saying, you took the derivative of the integral, the indefinite integral, and I figure you can just take out the constant in that case. And he said, "Oh yeah, if you do that, then it will be cosine of x, sine to the 8th x." Of course, it's not, because it's different if you have, yeah. I need to take a look at something first. See, this is the thing that I'm missing. Lenny faces. This is what I'm missing. What do you mean? Trigonometric functions, yeah. I was never the best. This sort of thing. I'm also going to get good at that old stethoscope to check those lungs. Heck yeah. Dr. Daniel. Dr. Y. Daniel. That should be like a show. Yeah. No, I can see it. Like someone's like, Dr. Daniel? You like turn around, it's Dr. Y. Daniel. Can you see that? As a show. Freaking, yeah.
It's like a knockoff version of Doctor Who.
Doctor Who? No, what do you mean? No, I'm talking about like a medical thing, Issa. Like Grey's Anatomy. It's why Daniel's Anatomy. I don't, huh? I don't know. The derivative I'm looking for is, I need to see the, because I'm really bad with anything dealing with like trigonometric functions. Let me see the steps.
Patrick, should I put it in the fridge?
No, you don't have to. You can just keep it there.
You gotta eat now. You don't wanna go to bed now. You're fast.
Swole? Well, I'm not gonna go to sleep too soon. That's tomorrow after Orgo. Yeah. I think I'm gonna have to spend that time. Feeling sick. Feeling filthy. Got it. Yeah, we're good. Anywho, there's something like that that freaks me out. What if it were something like cosine though? I need to take note of this. Oh, of course, yeah. I understand it. I understand it now. Okay. So the thing with this, basically, you can't integrate all of that, right? In that case, you know, if I am correct, it should be the integral of, no, it should just be sine x with the, oh, shoot, I don't know actually. Do you guys understand this? Because I do not. Give me a second. Let me try this. It's literally cosine to the power 8 x dx. Oh, see? See? It's this big thing. Oh. What do you mean set u to 8? I can't set u to 8. I can't set 8 to u. Well, I probably could. But I mean, in the end, I'll have to have this. So I don't think that's a thing that I could do right now. Yeah, it's grimy, my man. Like, look at this. This is something out of this world. Isa, calm down. I'm just trying to finish my stuff. Darn it. I'm stressed. It's okay, I do meditation. But they just want me to prove or disprove. And in this case, you're gonna have to integrate that you have sine of 8. It all turns into sine, but it's just gonna be a long chain. That's what this is. You bring it back, you'll only be able to derive it once, right? That's why you have things like, I don't know, you have that function, like a function prime or a function double prime or a function triple to quadruple prime. And in this case, you'd probably have to do some really weird thing. Oh, but that would give you a different answer still, wouldn't it? If you had this to like prime the 9th or something. I don't know. Hmm? I will. I will. For you? Why you say me? I'll take it. What? Set u to cosine. In this case? Well, I mean, for this one, I understand that, what's it called? If one way is too long, trying to go, you know, forward, trying to integrate it into something, especially when it's something as long as this, you know? Oh my god, look at this. Oh, look at that. Jeez. Then in that case, I probably won't, you know, try to integrate it, but I'll try to go the other way. This is what that taught me, at least. Because this is saying, oh, he's solving it the other way. He's looking at the thing that he finds the most suspicious, which is the 1/9 sine to the 9th x plus a constant. And then he's trying to derive that to see what he gets. And lo and behold, he gets that because, you know, you can't... he'll have to double prime it. He'll have to do something with that. And even until then, you know, he'll have some weird thing with the cosine, sine 8 of x, which is, of course, yeah. Anywho, he's saying, yes, cosine of x sine to the 8th of x does not equal that. So that makes sense to me. That makes sense to me. Have that written. If is that f of x or the integral? I'll say f of x. If wait. That doesn't look like an f. That looks like an integral. Integrand. Fine. Integral. Integrand. Positive and decreasing. Oh, they're saying f of x, I believe. I'm not sure. It just looks really weird to me. If f of x is positive and decreasing, then the area between the graph of f of x. Positive and decreasing, let's say it's something like that. Okay, wait, no. From your guys' perspective, something like that. And the area between the graph of f of x, okay, and the x-axis. And the area of the graph of f of x. Yeah, that's an f. Okay. Positive and decreasing. Then the area between the graph of f of x and the x-axis. Okay, the integral. Right. The integral must be infinite. No. Okay, wait. Yeah, okay. So, we need to think of ways to prove that. Of course, if it's something that never you know, hit 0 if it's that kind of function, you know. But even till then, it's gonna, if it does cross, no. What if it hits the horizontal asymptote at some point? I mean, at x. In that case, yeah, I see what he means where he's saying, oh, you know, if the denominator is 0, then it does diverge. So increasing from 1 to infinity. Right, yeah. So it could diverge at some point. Or if it's, you know, if it's exponential, it would diverge at some point, you know. At infinity even, you know. Because horizontal asymptotes, you actually reach the point when you're at an infinite amount. But if it's in a set area, I mean, of course, it's already limited. So, of course, you know, it's not infinity. And the x-axis. Oh, okay. Okay, this is finite. Finite or infinite? Okay, I'm gonna have to redefine what something, when it comes to like integrals or math functions, when it diverges. I need to think about that a little more, because I don't, I'm actually kind of clueless. You're okay.
It's here.
You're okay. Oh god.
Is that a style where people have it along the ear? I just want to get my whole head shaved.
Okay, here. I'm not even. I don't even know them. Okay, okay. Diverges. Wait a minute. No, this is optics. I was like, this looks familiar. Optics, physics. Yeah, That's what you use for convergent and divergent lenses right there. Convergent, divergent. Glasses. Oh yeah, I'm awake. Very slightly. Very slightly. I need to look at how it is for math. What is it? Alright, to diverge. Okay. To converge is a defined number. To diverge is undefined. Okay. Okay, so yeah, that does diverge. Okay, yeah. Finite, finite, finite. Oh, okay, I get it. Okay, I understand. Okay, so we were talking. Gosh darn it, we both bored and defeated from today. We gotta focus on individual tasks. Yours is math, I believe. Yours is the test. The test, he says. This is my favorite photo. history. This boy's working on history. Talking about race, talking about slavery. History. Why Daniel Ricomni gonna get it? Those money trees. That doesn't make any sense. He's sesame seeds. Whoa. Anywho, yeah, it's true. It does diverge. Okay. I'm just trying to... Alright. Let me go back as a recap. This boy be reading primary sources, which is 60 pp. Oh, God. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Why, Daniel? Dude, I need some water. When do you... Oh, yeah. This is just for... Okay, let me take note of that. Hmm. I'm going to. Hello. I'll take Epsom. I do. When what? Jana's dad, he told me all about these things about working out, and he's gonna help me with supplements when I turn 16. Boy bout to bulk. He's been working out for 12 years, and he said I can come over to his place to work out with him. Dang. He used to own a gym in the Philippines. I remember Jana's dad, Uncle Jojo. Jojo Y. Daniel. Let me tell you. I've been, what's it called? The best thing I found out, the best way to bulk is to have a very large breakfast, which sucks. It sucks for at least, you know, me or Josh, because, or at least me, I don't like having big breakfasts or breakfasts at all, in all honesty. But sometimes, or usually, I like to go for like 4 eggs with like a big glass of milk filled with that one thing that I use, like breakfast essentials. Sometimes if I really need to digest it fast, but I feel like I'm slacking that day, then I take some B12 as well. Shoot, that boy be bulking. He used to own a, he told me to eat every 3 hours. Ooh. Okay. if you really want. Oh, that helps with like ectomorphs. I said Filipino people. Because like if I don't eat after 3 to 4 hours, that's when my body starts to eat itself, you know. I need some water actually. Give me a second. I'm gonna get some water.
My hair. It's gonna be short.
Hello. He doesn't want me to gain too much weight though, because it won't benefit you. But he did tell me to do push-ups every morning and add 3 every 2 weeks. 12 push-ups, says Josh. I say that. Josh, thank you for reminding me to do my daily push-ups. Heck yeah, look at this community here. Anywho. This is what I like to do. That stimulation is very good. It's best to get that amount of stimulation. That's a good amount of stimulation in multiple areas, right? To be able to get the blood flowing there and to be able to tear muscle fibers in those areas, you know. It just has to be, it doesn't have to be like super intense. It could just be something like, you know, you could have push-ups, you could have whatever. Yeah, there you go. Wide and close push-ups. The freaking, oh dang, I popped my freaking neck like that. Or the triangle, or the freaking dolphin. It's great. Yeah. Main target. I'd say that it works my chest much more. Or the closer you are, right? The closer your hands are, the more it works your triceps, right? So you have something like this, which, I don't know, pyramids are, I don't know. I usually just like to do something like this because I end up being in this position, right? And in this case, you've got your tricep out, right? And it's freaking doing its thing like that. If you are a little wider, it targets your chest much more. Yes. But for me, I'm trying to get that strength in right now. I want to be able to, you know, lift a lot of weight, but simultaneously be lean, you know what I mean? And it's been a while. It's been a while. say. If you've done fist ups, if you can do fist ups, yeah, better. That's the Bruce Lee way to go, my man. My goodness, he's got. You know what? I do that sometimes. But after a while, it really hurts like the freaking wrists for me, at least. Guys, look at this. Look at this. This is my favorite workout.
Wow, that's really going well.
Oh, this is so unstable. This is so unstable. Look. I'm wacky. What's up with you, tomato nose? Just kidding, I'm just kidding. Your nose is just like mine, Issa.
I don't like that.
What do you mean?
It's like worse than saying, look.
It's fine, your hair's fine. Look at my freaking hair. Ronaldo said I look like I got a bowl cut. You son of a gun. That does not look wrong. I need to think. Oh no. What in goodness. What is this? Who's done this? God. I don't think I can go to the gym tomorrow. Like, like that is. Good. Okay. I will buy that stethoscope, my dude. No worries, I need it anyways. See, they put the stethoscope, right? They were like, there's no problem with your breathing. Our best bet is to give you some doxycycline to, you know, if it's an upper respiratory infection, with, you know, bacteria and all, then there you go. But yeah, they said that my breathing was okay. They just suspected that it was, you know. And it would make sense, I guess. Because it wasn't that much coughing. It was just a little coughing before. Like 3 weeks ago. Then it became like even more coughing, then more coughing. And now I am here. Coughing. Coughing. Ah, this is coughing. God. Dog medicine, he said. Yeah, what's up, dog? Your dog. Your home dog here. I see what I did. See what I did. Oh my god, I'm so dead. Oh yeah, here we go. Anywho, he wanted to substitute the natural log of x with, what is that? Is that the integral? Was the integral of a natural log 1 over x? Or was 1 over x the integral? I mean the derivative. Let's go to this. I bet it's 1 over x. Okay. So. Alright, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Alright. That makes sense. You have the x over because you have 1 over x, yeah, and you replace it with a u, yeah. Seems about right. Seems about right. Actually, let me see what. So that's the equivalent to 1 over u du, right? And in that case, if you have the integral, it would, okay, yeah. If you integrate 1 over u, of course, that's going to be the natural log of whatever is on the bottom. So it's the natural log of u, and it's the differentials in respect to u. So in that case, it would be natural log of u. I'm not sure. Of the absolute value of u. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Oh, that's so simple. Oh, that's actually so simple. Are you serious? Okay. Okay. Well, I'm gonna write that down as something to test on. Wow, that was actually a little more easy than I thought. Anywho, here's our. Oh my. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. What do you guys think about this? This is nasty. Observe that how does this? Did I get a response? Yeah, I got a response. People have just figured out the pancake emoji. No waffle emoji. Bacon pancakes. Making bacon pancakes. Ew. Oh my gosh, this girl sent one, this guy sent her, and it's gross. Bacon flavored pancakes is a no, so. What do you mean? It's from Adventure Time, you uncultured swine. Jake is the best, I agree. Fine, sorry, says the guy. History, Discord. History is killing. See, right now, I've just got the jazz in my ears. You know how it is. Cause, what's it called? How I review sometimes when I'm feeling lazy is I just start thinking about it, like, occasionally. And then when I get back to it, then I just start, like, writing what I think it is. I'm just waiting right now. Before I start trying to do this thing, I'm gonna let it settle in my mind a little bit. What is this pancake emoji? Wait, is it moving? Oh my gosh, my eyes deceive me. I thought they were moving. That was scary. I thought I saw... Oh, they have a lot of foods, actually. Oh, my word. Thank you. Sadly, they don't have the cool ghost here anymore. They have this thing. I miss the old ghost. Bring the old ghost back. It was hilarious. It was like that. It was like, eh. That's hilarious. Wait a minute. Integration by parts is probably the worst thing for me. Ah. Because I know that there's a formula. Yeah, good. Oh, I almost threw up. That's disgusting. How are we doing? Oh my gosh, I look so Asian. I look so Asian. I don't know. 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 See, this is what happens when you get my dad to cut my hair and he says, oh, it's just gonna be a little bit. But I'm thankful that he did cut my hair. It's just a little short. Just like me. Look at that. Oh, actually it's growing, I think. Oh, it is growing. Holy shoot. Yeah, soon it's gonna be done. I don't know. We shall see. Oh, jeez, there's a formula. Oh yes, steam. The cup creates Greg's favorite thing, a chimney. The smaller surface area concentrates the steam and cooks the noodles more evenly, but it can also work for bowls. What do you mean? What is this? That is different. I have no idea how to implement this formula, by the way. UV, okay. DV, wait. Wait a minute. I'm thinking. That's what it is. I was like, what's the difference between those two? Aren't they the same? I don't know. This meaning creates something even deeper. A way of how we express our feelings. Oh yes, noodles. I don't... Why are you doing this, Josh? Why are you doing this? What is a memento, anyways? There's some like words that I have not. Memento. God. I'm actually really bad. Oh my god. Okay. I just gotta skip A-roll by parts, partial fractions. Let's go. man.
Alright, in this video we're going to start talking
Telling me,
about
Patrick,
partial
my man.
fractions, and partial fractions is one of those things that has a lot of cases to it and is pretty long, so definitely not going to do this in one video. So in the first part we're just going to talk about the basic idea of it and the partial fraction decompositions. In another video we'll talk about actually figuring out some coefficients, and then lastly we'll put it all together and actually do some problems.
Oy.
So again, a pretty long procedure. So partial fraction 1 over, let's say, x squared plus 4x
Man.
plus 4. This
I hate
again
partial
is a
fractions.
rational function, so this is a problem that we could do using partial fractions. You could just have a single number on top, 1 over x squared plus 4x plus 4. Again, that's still what's considered to be a rational function, so you could still use partial fractions on that problem. One thing that you have to make sure of is the degree of the numerator has to be strictly smaller than the degree of the denominator. Okay, if not, you're going to have to do long division of polynomials. Okay, so for example, suppose you were integrating x cubed plus 4x, and then on the bottom we simply had x plus 1. The first thing you would have to do on this problem is long division, x cubed plus 4x, and divide that by x plus 1 to turn it into a better form. Okay, and I'll probably do one of these all the way out on another video. I'm not going to talk about long division of polynomials right now. If you need to see long division of polynomials again, you can, hey, visit my website. There's some examples under the algebra section about long division of polynomials, so you may take a look at that. So again, you'd have to do long division on this one first. Again,
If the top is bigger than the bottom, long division. Correct, correct, correct. Correct, correct. But what in the world did this guy do? I took x, yeah. X squared. I don't see how he came up with something like that. Oh my lord, look at this thing.
and the highest power on top is 3, the highest power on the bottom is a 1, well, definitely the degree of the numerator is bigger than the degree of the denominator. If it's greater than or equal to, then you have to do long division. Okay, so suppose instead we had something like this, x plus 1 over x squared minus 4. Well, this is a problem where we're in business because the degree of the numerator is smaller than the degree of the denominator, and we can start doing our partial fractions technique. Okay. So there's 4 cases. Let's talk about the cases here. I'm going to stop writing the integral, but suppose in all of the things I write down, this is what you had to integrate. So this is going to be case 1 if you have what's called distinct linear factors. the reason why partial fractions works, we only are going to have these 4 cases, is because it turns out that any polynomial, no matter what power it is, can always be factored as a product of linear factors and quadratic factors. So that's a result from kind of higher up algebra. Pretty neat little thing. You know, maybe not something you would think would be initially true, but well, hey, it is true. So distinct linear factors. So we're going to start talking about our partial fraction decompositions right now. So suppose on top I simply had x, and on the bottom I had x plus 3, x minus 2. Okay, so notice on the bottom I have distinct linear factors. I have an x plus 3 factor, and I have an x minus 2 factor. The partial fraction decomposition works this way. Each factor gets its own, it becomes the denominator of a fraction, and if it's linear, you just put a generic number, we'll call it a on top. And then we do the same thing with our x minus 2 factor, and we just put a number b on top. Okay?
My God. My God. Look like the blonde boy's gas. Oh, it does though. It does though. Holy shit! That's it. That is it. See an actual physician, like, not urgent care. Yeah, I probably could. Oh my gosh, I'm actually like nauseous. No wonder Jody threw up a couple of times. I'm actually like quite nauseous right now. Oh my god.
Is it a big cut difference?
No,
Really?
no. Actually, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, man. out of it. I've gotta eat something 'cause I'm dying.
I'm just gonna dye my hair red. What if I dyed my hair?
Oh, bye. Oh my god. Pretty good. I should want to take on medicine like an hour ago. This is how I study, guys. dead. No, they're just burnt hot wings. I do that thing. I'm actually so sick right now. I'm so nauseous, why, Daniel? I took that doxycycline at like the worst possible time. Because my parents said I should take it. But I just feel horrible right now. Oh my god. What is this? Trigonometric substitution. But what do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? How good is that? Do that. You're crazy. Mm.
I showed her my hair and she was like, oh, no, you need to go to the hair salon. And I was laughing because I was like, she was like, oh my goodness, no.
Oh, honey, no.
She's like, don't worry, we'll fix it.
He said he's gonna do Fortnite. I wanna, no matter how much I wanna study, do Fortnite and everything else, I'm actually so tired I can't do anything right now. Me? Yeah. It's okay, it's okay. I'm just gonna talk. Dude, I think I'm gonna have to do this in the morning. I'm actually. Actually dead right now. Like that. I took that medicine at the worst possible time I was gonna review. I took it. What? I wasn't hungry.
You gotta eat them.
I ate almonds.
Almonds. At least drink milk or something.
You can't drink milk with it because that will bind to the medicine. What do you mean? Hi. Why am I feeling like this? All I know how to do. so nauseous. I'm so dizzy. What do you mean? Is this how Jody felt? I'm feeling lethargic. Why am I? Right. Functions. Oh, I look so Asian. That was gross. Guys, I've got to go. I'm actually so tired right now that I've done almost nothing. But yes, I'm gonna head to bed. Oh my gosh, do I actually look that tired? Dang. Oh my gosh, stop it! How often I want free pizza? Always, and also always. I can't. I'm so dead. No! Yeah, I don't need the doxycycline, but I already took it. What do you mean? I already took it. That's why it's like this. I'm sorry, so. this going on. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm gonna sleep. Because I'm so dizzy. I feel like throwing up every time I cough. And yes, that's it. Okay, bye. There you go, bye.